I don't know about you, but half of the battle when it comes to recording YouTube videos is workflow. Having several different camera angles that you've got set up, and then you have to take each individual memory card out of the camera, take it over to the computer, wait for it to transfer. You're there for about an hour waiting for the footage to copy across. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Atem Mini Pro to stream your video feed directly from your cameras to your computer. No memory cards in sight. So I've got the Atem Mini Pro set up with 3 camera angles in it at the moment. I've got camera angle 1, which is my front facing camera. I've got camera angle 2, which is my overhead camera. And I've got camera angle 3, which is this side facing camera. You can record these 3 angles with the live cuts directly to an SSD or conventional hard drive. But with a long USB-C cable, you can actually record them directly into OBS. That means gone are the days of having to transfer each individual memory card to your computer. You can save the file directly to your PC. It is worth mentioning that the feed going to OBS is only going to be 1080p, not 4K, but this camera is actually recording in 4K at the moment, so I'm going to switch to that now. So this is the 4K video file directly from my Sony a6500. And now we're going to switch back to the Atem Mini feed. So that's the loss in quality you can expect to get. But what you lose in quality, you're going to gain in editing time, because this video is only going to take me about 10 minutes to edit together. The audio being captured for this video is a microphone placed just here and running directly into the Atem Mini, so all of that should be synced up as well. So let's jump onto the computer and I'll show you exactly how it works. So there are a couple of things you need to do in order to get the best quality feed from your Atem Mini over to your computer. The first thing you need to do is open up the Atem software control, then head over to Output on the top right, and then make sure your quality is set to HyperDeck High. Then you can close the Atem software control. Then within OBS, you just want to press this plus button, go to Video Capture Device. We're going to call it Atem Mini Video. Press OK. Change the device to Blackmagic Design. Now you can see me. Hello. And then under resolution FPS type, we want to change that to custom. And just make sure the resolution is set to 1920 by 1080. And press OK. Easy as that. But you'll notice there's no audio coming through into our audio mixer. So what you need to do is press the plus button, go to Audio Input Capture. We're going to call that Atem Mini Audio. Press OK. Change the device to microphone Blackmagic Design. And then if we scroll down in the audio mixer, we'll see that that is the line coming in from the microphone placed just here. So I'm just going to press record within OBS. Scroll over here, and then this is the video file that's coming directly out of OBS. I hope that makes sense. Then we're just going to press stop recording. We're going to go to File, Show Recordings, and then this is the beginning of the video which you've just watched. I haven't edited it yet. And then this is that little clip that I just made. Scroll over here, and then this is the video file that's coming directly out of OBS. I hope that makes sense. So what you can do is then drag that file that you've just recorded within OBS directly into Premiere or Final Cut or DaVinci Resolve and just start editing it. So this is what it looks like before it's been edited. I don't know about you, but half of the battle when it comes to recording YouTube videos is workflow. I changed the camera angle, having to mess it up. Having several different camera angles that you've got set up, and then you have to take each individual memory card out of the camera, take it over to the computer, wait for it to transfer. You're there for about an hour waiting for the footage to copy across. So now we're just going to cut out that little section. And now it looks like this. I don't know about you, but half of the battle when it comes to recording YouTube videos is workflow. Having several different camera angles that you've got set up, and then you have to take each individual memory card out of the camera, take it over to the computer, wait for it to transfer. You're there for about an hour waiting for the footage to copy across. So hopefully that little demonstration can show you how big an impact the Atem Mini Pro can have on producing your YouTube videos. There we go, we're all done. I've just made this YouTube video in about 25 minutes. and this thing has really changed my life. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like and comment below. Tell me what you think of this setup. Would you plan to use it in the future? Subscribe to the channel so you never miss another episode, and follow the link in the video description to my Facebook group where you can ask me questions, you can request videos, and essentially just join my community. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.